What if I told you half of the world's jobs will disappear by 2030? Scary. It should be. But there is a twist. I won't kill all jobs. It will just change who wins and who loses. Right now, millions of people are still ignoring AI, means artificial intelligence. They think this won't affect any job. Big mistake. It's a big mistake. I'm warning you. Why I'm saying this? Because I'm an HR consultant. It's our job. Through my consultancy, I'm giving jobs to the people. From my experience, I'm saying so. AI is already replacing writers, accountants, designers, and even managers. The truth is, AI is not taking jobs. People use AI at taking jobs from people who don't. So, if you learn to work with AI, not against it, you are safe. Actually, you will be unstoppable. So, how do you stay safe from AI? Let's break it down in three smart moves. Step number one, learn AI tools fast. Start with ChatGPT, Notion AI, or Gemini. These tools can automate your boring daily work. I know you are using Nano Banana for your image creation, and you are experiencing the way Nano Banana is giving you the result, just modifying your images, and you feel happy. That's good. But apart from that, there are a lot of things you have to do with it. That's why I'm asking. It is the time now. It is the only way now, right? You know why I'm saying so? The faster you learn, the faster you get ahead, right? So now step number two, upgrade your career skills. Don't compete with machines. Combine your human creativity, emotions, and leadership with AI. Because why I'm saying so, AI is more efficient than you. Although we are all human beings who create AI, right? And we have to use AI efficiency. If you are in HR, marketing, design, or finance, use AI to make faster, smarter decisions. Then, step number three, build a personal brand. You know what? Start sharing what you learn, post on LinkedIn, YouTube, or Instagram. Be seen as the person who understands AI, because visibility today is equal to opportunity tomorrow. Okay, now you need a motivation, right? So I will tell you a short story. You can say the mini story. So let me tell you a quick story. One of my clients was a content writer. Those who are writing content for their client, terrified that AI would replace her, right? I told her, don't fight, use it. She started using ChatGPT for idea generation, keyword research, and formatting. Major key roles of a content writer, right? Now she earns 3 times more than an AI content strategist. Same skill, better tools, and bigger results. Is it cool? Tell me. So, what exactly I want to say to survive the AI storm? Don't wait. Learn it now. So, hit subscribe button here and grab your free ebook, totally free for you. That is 100 viral ChatGPT prompts, and visit thetruehr.com for AI jobs and tools, and a lot of options related to jobs, openings, and careers. That's your first step to becoming future proof. Okay, let's go to the deeper with it. I will discuss the deeper value of it. So here is the deeper truth. AI will not just change jobs. It will create millions of new ones. Roles like AI content strategist, prompt engineer, AI auditor, and automation consultant are booming. But only those who understand how to use AI will get them. Are you getting me? So think of it this way, because in the 90s, I'm saying about 1990s, people who learned computer got rich in the 20s. Okay, now we're living in the age where in 2020s, means in 2025, right now, people who learn AI will dominate. That's the difference between being replaced and being irreplaceable. Are you getting me or not? Just listen it carefully. What I'm saying right now, it's for your career. Do not make your career a joke. Without learning AI now, it's a joke. Don't hear anything from others because AI is the future. And it's the truth. AI is here. You can hear all the news regarding your layups and everything on the news channels and everywhere right now. So, what I'm saying, instead of saying AI will take my job, say I will take advantage of AI. If you found this useful, hit the like button and subscribe to Subrat Biz, your daily guide to AI, business, and career growth. For companies need smart HR or hiring help, visit thetruehr.com, your AI HR partner. For job seekers looking for the jobs or career tools, go to thetruehr.com. Free resources to grow. And don't forget to download your free ebook 100 viral ChatGPT prompts. Link in the description below. I will help you AI smarter in your career and business. The future belongs to those who prepare today. So start learning AI before AI learns your job.